Welcome to the world of DIY homemade face masks. Here, we'll discuss all the benefits of making and using your own face masks so you can feel in control and keep your skin looking and feeling beautiful, natural and healthy. We'll cover the essential ingredients and recipes so you can customize your own masks to suit your own skin needs, plus some tips on how to get the most out of them. So here goes. Let's get started. Benefits of making your own face masks. Making your own face masks is a fantastic way to give your skin the attention it deserves, without relying on store-bought products that can be filled with harsh chemicals and irritants. By making your own masks, you can control exactly which ingredients you're using and create a product that works best for your skin's needs and sensitivities. Here are just a few of the benefits of creating your own facial masks. Natural and chemical-free. Store-bought face masks often contain synthetic preservatives, fragrances, while homemade masks can be made of natural, plant-based ingredients. This helps to reduce your exposure to harsh chemicals that can irritate and damage sensitive skin. Save money. By making your own face masks, you are saving yourself significant amounts of money, as many store-bought options can be quite costly. With homemade masks, you can make a variety of options with minimal, cost-effective ingredients. Customized to your skin needs. When you make your own masks, you can customize them to your own skin's needs. Whether you are looking for something that's hydrating, exfoliating, or anti-aging, you can tailor the ingredients of your mask to give your skin exactly what it needs. Control over ingredients. A huge benefit of making your own face masks is that you have complete control over the ingredients you include. That way, you know without a doubt that you won't be using anything that could potentially irritate your skin. Essential ingredients for face masks. With a little bit of research, you can find the exact ingredients that best suit your skin type. Here are some of the most commonly used ingredients for face masks. Honey. Honey is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent that helps prevent skin infections and inflammation. It is also a natural humectant, meaning it will keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. Avocado. Avocados are rich in vitamins and minerals that can help nourish, rejuvenate, and revitalize the skin. It is also high in essential fatty acids that help keep the skin soft and supple. Oatmeal. Oatmeal can help soothe and reduce inflammation on skin, making it great for calming acne and skin irritation. It is also a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Yogurt. Yogurt is packed with probiotics and lactic acid, which helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is also high in vitamin B, which helps to nourish the skin and protect against environmental elements. Tea tree oil. This natural oil is packed with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it great for reducing redness, irritation, and inflammation. Turmeric. This superfood is known to help lighten dark spots, acne scars, and even out skin tone. It is also an anti-inflammatory, perfect for reducing redness and irritation. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known to have healing properties and can help reduce scarring and redness. It is also great for hydrating and nourishing the skin. Coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to keep the skin hydrated and is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the skin against environmental elements. Papaya. Papaya is packed with enzymes that can help exfoliate the skin. It is also high in antioxidants and vitamins, which help nourish and protect the skin. Lemon. This citrus fruit is known to help reduce dark spots and clear up the complexion. It is high in vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin and reduce wrinkles. Recipe ideas. For a hydrating, honey and turmeric mask, combine 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of turmeric and mix until it forms a paste. Apply to the face and leave for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask is great for reducing inflammation, evening skin tone and brightening the complexion. For an acne-fighting, avocado and tea tree oil mask. Mash up 1 avocado and combine with 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil. You can add a teaspoon of honey or yogurt for an extra moisturizing effect. Leave on the face for 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. This mask is effective in controlling acne and calming inflammation. For a soothing, oatmeal and yogurt mask. Mix together 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You can also add a drop of lavender essential oil for extra calming benefits. Spread the mixture on the face and leave for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. This mask is perfect for calming irritation and redness while gently exfoliating. For a rejuvenating, papaya and coconut oil mask. Mash up half a cup of papaya and mix with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply to the face and leave for 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. This mask is particularly ideal for brightening the complexion and softening the skin. For an energizing, lemon and aloe vera mask. Combine 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Leave the mixture on the face for 15 minutes before rinsing off with tepid water. This mask is great for invigorating tired skin and effectively fading dark spots. Tips for applying your face mask. Before applying, thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any dirt, makeup or oil. Apply a thin layer of your face mask evenly to the face, avoiding the eyes and mouth. Sit back, relax and let the mask do its work for an appropriate amount of time. Make sure to check the instructions of your recipe to find the best length of time for your face mask to work. Carefully remove the face mask using a damp cloth or warm water. After using, make sure to moisturize your skin with a light, natural moisturizer. DIY face masks can be used up to 2 times per week for optimal results. Have fun and experiment with different recipes to find the right one for your skin type. Making your own homemade face masks is a great way to give your skin some extra love in all from the comfort of your own home. With natural ingredients and essential oils, you can customize the perfect mask for your skin type and in the long run save money on expensive spa treatments or store-bought products. So why not grab those ingredients and get to mixing? Remember, liking and subscribing to this channel will keep you updated on the latest health and wellness related videos. We upload once or twice daily, so make sure you're following us on Instagram and TikTok for more. Thanks for watching and try out some of these face masks to get your skin glowing.